Pinalaga ng actor-singer na si Marlo Mortel ang malisyosong akusasyon ng isang netizens laban sa kanya. Ating alamin. Isang post kasi ang kumakalat ngayon sa social media ukol sa di umano'y panunulot niya ng jowa ng ibang tao. You are a grown adult, Marlo, so I thought you'd understand the concept of decency. Apparently, that's a foreign language to you. If you wanna get laid, ikaw na lang. Don't drag anyone sa threesome orgy na fetish mo at huwag mong ipilit na ipinasok sa'yo. We hang out together, di ka nahiya. Saad ng netizens na may username na si Yuki Zaragoza noong August 15. Don't even think about hiding behind the "I'm not out" excuse. That ain't a free pass to mess with people's lives. Your personal journey is your business, but it doesn't give you the right to manipulate anyone into situations they're uncomfortable with, dagdag ni Yuki. Sinubukan din daw nitong mag-reach out kay Marlo ngunit hindi raw siya nito pinansin at itinuloy ang di umano'y pangharas sa kanyang boyfriend. I already messaged you about it, but you didn't even bother to respond, and worse, you even continue to harass my boyfriend into coming to your condo. Marlo, face this her. I'm here for drama. Ilabas mo galing mo. You are power bottom, I'll dig you grave deeper than, banta ni Yuki. Ngunit kung papansinin ay tila isang dami account lang ang gamit ng taong nag-post dahil wala itong profile picture at tanging ang post lang nito laban kay Marlo ang makikita sa account nito. Sinagot naman ng singer ang mga paratang laban sa kanya kahapon gamit ang personal Facebook account. Fake news are dangerous. A person's life can be at stake because of this. Just to let you know, I have all the screenshots of you and your fake accounts harassing me online, babala ni Marlo. Hinamon pa ng binata si Yuki na patunayan ang mga pinagsasabi nito bago siya magsampa ng reklamo laban dito. Before I report this for cyberbullying, who are you that claiming that you hung out with me and where's your message to me? Also, was the so-called boyfriend you're pertaining to that I've been messaging cause I haven't been talking to anyone? Say pa ni Marlo. Kiit pa niya wala siyang kondo at social media girlfriend. There is a law against false accusation. I hope you are prepared for trying to damage a person's life. Dagdag pa ni Marlo. Ano ang masasabi niyo rito? I-comment nyo lang dyan sa ating comment box at huwag kalimutang mag-like, share, comment, and subscribe and click the notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga vlogs and updates. Thank you!